Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to solve this integral problem. So first I'm going to take first I'm going to write this as cos x times cos to the fourth power x dx. So this is cos x. Now I'm going to write this part as cos square x and its square dx, right? Now I know that sin square x plus cos square x is what? This is 1, right? So cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. So I'm going to substitute that here. This is integral cos x times 1 minus sin square x to the power 2 dx. So this is cos x. Now I have to solve this thing, right? So actually simplify this thing. So this is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin 4x dx. So I'm going to multiply each element by cos x. So this is cos x minus 2 sin square x cos x, right? Plus sin 4x times cos x, right? This is dx. So now I am going to integrate each function by dx. So this is cos x, this is dx, minus, since 2 is a constant, I'm going to take that out of the integral sign. So this is minus 2 sin square x cos x dx, right? Plus sin to the fourth power x cos x dx. So I know integral of cos is what? This is sin, right? This is sin x minus. Now I have a problem. So just like that last part, I mean integral of cos x, cos is sin. Do I know sin to the sin square x times cos x is what? Do I have a equation for that thing? And this part also, actually the answer is no, right? So I have no equation for that, but I have a theorem. So I will write the theorem here. If fx is a function of x, it has a n power, and it is multiplied by its differentiation, and when I integrate this is equal to fx to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So this is a theory, right? So if a function is if a function is multiplied by its differentiation, then I can use this theorem. So this is my sin x minus, if I consider that this is fx and this is n and this is what? F dash x, right? If I think fx is sin x, f dash x is cos x, then n is 4, right? So now I'm going to use this theorem. So this is minus 2. Now I can write this sin x 3 over what? 3 plus sin 5x over what? 5 plus c. Here c is a arbitrary constant, right? So this is a constant. So now I can simplify this again. Sin x minus 2 over 3 sin cube x sine cube x plus 1 over 5 sine to the power 5x plus c. This is my answer, right? So it's kind of a mess, but it's kind of also a easy part, right? So thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video.